you want to sniff some more? More? Okay. That one? Yeah. What do you think? Do you like that one? Not sure. How about this one? Do you want to sniff that one? There you go. Sniff. Do you want to sniff some more? More?
Ask him for some of his words too.
Jamie, can you say door? That one, all gone. No, no. Jamie, can you say door? Good boy.
Good boy.
Jamie, can you say daddy?
Good boy.
You're full on sniffer.
Jamie, can you say bear? Good try.
More?
Not that one. I like the other one.
Do you like the ones you can open? Do you want to open that? Open. That was 5 spice. Check garlic. Garlic? Are you a werewolf?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
This one again.
Jamie, can you say bye?
Bye.